Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shafiq and I am a software developer with hands-on experience in Oracle PLSQL. This is my first video and I'm excited to start sharing knowledge with you. So today's topic is about handling null values using four important functions, that is NVL, NVL2, NULLIF and COALESCE. So these are the four functions we are discussing today. Okay, so let's understand what is a null. Okay, so null is like unknown or missing value. Okay, so you can't compare with null like equal to or not equal to operator. So that's why Oracle is introduced the null functions. Okay, so before checking the example with NVL functions, let's see the data structure of the employee table. So here we have the few columns about the employees like first name, last name, email address, and also we have the commission here. Okay, so we will do the uh, query with the commission point. Okay, so here our aim is that like if employee has a commission, then it will display as a commission, and if employee does not have a commission, then it will display as a zero. So here you can see, so there are 5 employees. So out of 3 they have commission and remaining 2 they are null. So these values should be displayed as a 0. So let's say with the NVL function. So let's check with the syntax first. Okay, so NVL is passing 2 parameters. First one is column, second one is the value that will return. Okay, so here we are passing the commission is a column from the employee table. The second one is 0. So if commission is null, then it will return as a 0, and it is commission is not null, it will display as a commission. Okay, so let's run this query. Okay, I will just put here alias here also, so we can compare the each employee commission. Okay, here see, so you can see here, just add one more alias name, better understanding, new commission. Let's me run this again. See, you can see here that the first employee John, he has a commission, so new commission value is 0.1. The second one is same, 0.5 is 0.5. The third one is Robert, he has a commission null, but so we have display as a 0, so that is correct. So this is how the annual function is work. Okay, so let's move the next one. The next one is NVL2 function. Okay, NVL2 function is, it have 3 parameters. Okay, so it is more powerful function. Okay, so in this case what happened, the first value is not null, so it will return the second one. If the first value is null, then it will return as the third one. Okay, let's run this query for better understanding. Okay, here you can see here like the first one is John, he has a commission. Okay, so we display as a value has a commission. Okay, see, check for the Robert, he has a commission null, so we have display here no commissions. Okay, that's how the NVL2 function work. Let's move on the third one. The third one is NULLIF functions. So NULLIF function is basically a comparison function. We can compare the both value and display the result. Here is the two examples here. So it has contain 2 parameters. Okay, so here we are passing the 2 parameters like 1000 1000. So in this what happened, if the both parameters are the same, so it will return as a null, and the both parameters are not equal to same, it will return the first one. Let's run the first query. So, okay, see here it's written the null. Let's run the second one. So it will return the first one. How this is how work. Okay, move on to the next function, that is COALESCE function. Okay, so here is the syntax of the COALESCE function. You can pass the number of values in the COALESCE function. Okay, so in this case what happened, like the first value is null. Sorry, the first value is not null, it will return the second value. Okay, the first value is null and second value is null, it will return the third one. So you can add the number of like columns here to check these values. Okay, so let's run this query. So here you can see that like the first value is null, second one is also null, so it will display output as a email. Let me change some in that query. So we will put here the first one is email. Okay, and this one is phone and this one is mobile. So here what happened, the first one is not null, so it will return email here. See, let me some more changes here. Let me add here phone and this one is as a null. So in this case it will return as a phone number. So as many parameter you can add as per your business logic and get the result. Okay, so suppose like there is a real life case example, like so suppose there is a customer, uh, and we have to check the contact number his, but suppose there is a phone number is null. Okay, so in this case, in that case we can display as an email. If it is email also null, we can display as a landline number. So here how it's work with the COALESCE function. Okay, so these are our four SQL functions, like NVL, NVL2, NULLIF and COALESCE function. Okay, I hope you understand the better difference between that. Okay, thanks for watching.